Welcome to our YouTube channel, Quick Solvers. Here I want to find the limit of this function where x goes to 0. I believe this is a good question for those of you who are preparing for SAT and also for ACT. Might be a little bit difficult for ACT. The difficulty level of this question is hard, and we have used this color code, red, to show the difficulty level. And I think this makes it easier for you to browse among the videos and find those problems which might be more interesting for you. Okay, let's see how should I solve this. If I start by replacing x by 0, then this is 0, this is 0, and this is 0. Okay, and this leaves us with square root of 1 minus square root of 1 over 0, which is 0 over 0, and this is not what we're looking for. Let's see, can we further simplify this function or not? And by simplifying, I mean to somehow get rid of the square roots. Well, we know that when we have an expression like a minus b, its conjugate is a plus b, all right? And if I multiply these two, then it gives me a squared minus b squared, and this might be helpful for getting rid of the square roots. So if I do that here, then I should multiply this by a square root of x plus 1 plus square root of 1 minus x. And since I don't want to change the function, I need to multiply this whole function by 1. So I should have the same expression in denominator. X plus 1 plus square root of 1 minus x. Okay, maybe this is too long. Okay, and this equals to the limit of, in the denominator we have x times square root of x plus 1 plus square root of 1 minus x. And, well, following the expression here, we have x plus 1 minus 1 minus x. And this is the limit where x goes to 0. And if I simplify this, then we'll get this equals to the limit of x plus 1 minus 1 plus x. The denominator is the same. X times square root of x plus 1 plus square root of 1 minus x. And this is the limit of 2 times x over x times square root of x plus 1 plus square root of 1 minus x. And you see that this x and this x cancel out each other, and this leaves us with the limit of 2 over square root of x plus 1 plus square root of 1 minus x, where x goes to 0. And that means we replace this x by 0 and this x by 0 to see what happens. Well, it gives us 2 over square root of 1 plus square root of 1, which is 2 over 2, and this is 1. All right, so the limit of this function, here, when x goes to 0 equals 1, and that means this is the right option. So please do not forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.